Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a very exciting project that NVIDIA is working on, Earth-2. What is Earth-2, you may ask? Well, it's a supercomputer that will create a digital twin of our planet. In order to predict climate change more accurately and help us fight it. Sounds amazing, right? Let's find out more about it. Earth-2, or E2 for short, is the name of the AI supercomputer that NVIDIA announced in November 2021. It will be the world's most powerful AI supercomputer dedicated to predicting climate change. It will use GPU-accelerated computing, deep learning, and physics-informed neural networks to simulate the physics, chemistry, and biology of the atmosphere, waters, ice, land, and human activities. It will also use super-resolution techniques to achieve ultra-high-resolution climate modeling, which is needed to capture the effects of clouds and water cycles on the climate. The goal of Earth-2 is to create a digital twin of Earth in Omniverse, NVIDIA's platform for creating and simulating 3D worlds. A digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical object or system that can be used for testing, analysis, and optimization. By creating a digital twin of Earth, NVIDIA hopes to provide early warnings for countries, cities, and towns to adapt and make their infrastructures more resilient to climate change. It also hopes to inspire more urgent action from people and nations by making them see and feel the future today. Earth-2 is meant to be the next step beyond Cambridge 1, the $100 million supercomputer that NVIDIA launched in June 2021 and made available to healthcare researchers in the UK. Earth-2 will also collaborate with the world's climate science community to share data and insights. Earth-2 is expected to be operational by 2025. It will be a massive undertaking that will require millions to billions of times more computing power than what's currently available. But if successful, it could be a game-changer for humanity and the planet. Now, I'm going to show you some examples of how Earth-2 will look like in Omniverse, and how it will help us understand and respond to climate change better. Omniverse is a platform that allows users to create, simulate, and collaborate on 3D worlds in real time. It uses NVIDIA's RTX technology to render photorealistic graphics and physics. It also supports multiple software applications and formats, such as Maya, Blender, Unreal Engine, and Unity. Omniverse is the perfect tool for creating a digital twin of Earth, because it can handle complex and dynamic simulations at scale. For example, Omniverse can simulate the movement of clouds, the flow of water, the growth of plants, and the impact of human activities on the environment. It can also visualize the effects of climate change on different regions and scenarios, such as sea level rise, droughts, floods, wildfires, and storms, by creating a digital twin of Earth in Omniverse. NVIDIA hopes to provide a more accurate and accessible way of predicting climate change and its consequences. Users will be able to explore the digital twin of Earth from different perspectives and timescales, and see how their actions affect the planet. They will also be able to compare different mitigation and adaptation strategies, and see what works best for their communities. NVIDIA believes that by making climate change more tangible and immersive, it will inspire more people to take action and join the fight against it. Here are some screenshots of how Earth-2 will look like in Omniverse. As you can see, the graphics are stunning and realistic. You can also see how different factors affect the climate, such as greenhouse gas emissions, solar radiation, land use, and ocean currents. These are just some examples of what Earth-2 will be able to do. There are many more possibilities that we can't even imagine yet. As you can imagine, creating a digital twin of Earth is not an easy task. It requires a lot of data, computing power, and collaboration. It also raises some ethical and social questions that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges of Earth-2 is the availability and quality of data. To create a realistic and accurate simulation of Earth, NVIDIA needs to collect and process a huge amount of data from various sources, such as satellites, weather stations, sensors, and models. However, not all data is reliable, consistent, or accessible. Some data may be outdated, incomplete, or biased. Some data may be proprietary, confidential, or restricted. Some data may be conflicting, contradictory, or uncertain. How to deal with these data issues is a big challenge for Earth-2. Another challenge of Earth-2 is the scalability and performance of computing. To run a high-resolution simulation of Earth, NVIDIA needs to use a supercomputer that can handle millions to billions of times more computing power than what's currently available. This means that NVIDIA needs to design and build a supercomputer that can support GPU-accelerated computing, deep learning, and physics-informed neural networks at an unprecedented scale. This also means that NVIDIA needs to optimize and parallelize the algorithms and software that run on the supercomputer to make them efficient and fast. A third challenge of Earth-2 is the collaboration and communication with the climate science community. To make Earth-2 useful and relevant for climate research and policy, NVIDIA needs to work closely with the experts and stakeholders in the field. This includes sharing data and insights, validating results and methods, addressing feedback and concerns, and aligning goals and expectations. NVIDIA also needs to ensure that Earth-2 is transparent, accountable, and trustworthy for the users and the public. On the other hand, Earth-2 also offers many opportunities and benefits for humanity and the planet. One of the main opportunities of Earth-2 is the improvement and innovation of climate modeling and prediction. By using AI supercomputing, NVIDIA hopes to achieve ultra-high-resolution climate modeling that can capture the effects of clouds and water cycles on the climate. This could lead to more accurate and reliable forecasts of regional extreme weather events decades in advance. This could also lead to new discoveries and insights about the Earth system and its dynamics. Another opportunity of Earth-2 is the empowerment and education of people and nations. By creating a digital twin of Earth in Omniverse, NVIDIA hopes to provide early warnings for countries, cities, and towns to adapt and make their infrastructures more resilient to climate change. NVIDIA also hopes to inspire more urgent action from people and nations by making them see and feel the future today. By making climate change more tangible and immersive, NVIDIA hopes to raise awareness and engagement among the public. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about Earth-2 and how NVIDIA is using AI supercomputing to create a digital twin of our planet. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech news and reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.